How to add clickable link to TikTok bio. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option of edit profile. So simply select on edit profile, and here you can see the option of links. So tap on links. Here you can add the links for your Instagram or your YouTube. So if you want to add the link for Instagram, tap on Instagram and then add. And what it does is it simply makes you enter your login credentials. So you just need to enter your username, email ID or mobile number, and then enter your password and log in over here, and that's how you can attach or get the link of Instagram on your TikTok. Now the same process goes through for YouTube as well. You can add clickable link like that. Next, what you can simply do is go back to the profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on settings and privacy and then tap on account. Now select on switch to business account over here, and as you do that, what you can simply do is you can just tap on next over here. You can select whatever you would want, tap on next, and I'm going to skip all these parts over here. And after you do this, what it does is it opens up so many new features for you on TikTok. So now you can just go back. What you can simply do is tap on edit profile again and scroll down, and here you can see the option of links, and now you can even add your website. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.